Market Weekly Outlook. Just write, please, about yourself, where you're from, your name, and what instrument you would like to see, you would like me to analyze. Friends, I'm waiting for your reply. After that, we will start our webinar. At this moment, please push like. Right now, just push like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, because you see that I post a lot of videos, overviews. Believe me, it's really useful. All that overviews I trade on my personal accounts. That's why you will you will be able to be part of real trading. It's not only speaking. Hey, I love the bigger chat group. Please, can we look? Of course, we will look gold, oil, major currency pairs, indexes, and some cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, friends, write please your name, where you're from, and what instruments you would like to see. Paul, believe me, we will do everything. Okay, let's go. Let's start from gold. Today we will start from gold. After that, we will do oil and other currency pairs. Okay, about gold. Take a look. Take a look what happened last few days. As you see, price. Do you see that price in this range? Few seconds. Price in this range. It's really a huge range. And as you see here, price even didn't came to border of this range. That means here is first wave, and we will see the price will hit this area. Really huge probability, and believe me, friends, it's really important to set alerts on gold, because so soon it could happen. I think on next week, gold will hit this area, and after that, we'll be able to open powerful sell entry if we will see a good fake breakout, because you need to understand that we will be able to open sell only if the price will be below this key level. If price will break out and close above, situation will change dramatically. About gold, few other things. Take a look on lower time frame on 1 hour candle, and as you see, price was in this channel, and at this moment price will go up. That's why nearly this area I will wait for really best accurate entry on gold, because if drop will start, let's open weekly chart and you will see. If price will really start dropping down, take a look on this key level. It's 6 year since August 2013. If the price will hit from that level, huge chance the price will come back to test this mirror area. This. That's why wait on reaction. It will be 800, 600 potential pips move. Okay. Hello, Beaker. Good to see you. Uh, Good to see you too, dear friend. Push like and subscribe on your YouTube channel. Believe me, there will be far more videos. Should I open buy entry at current market execution as soon as the markets open? I had a buy open, but I closed it just before market close because I was scared. If you're scared, that means you use big risk, and it's not good for trading when you don't have proper risk management. With proper risk management, you will not be scared. And also about open close entries, such recommendation I do only for my VIP members, for guys who part my group, my VIP group. Yes, it's my 56 members. About that VIP signals, you can learn here. VIP signal service. I recorded a video how everything works. I showed here all proofs. Here is all proofs how my signal service works. And if you will want to join, there are contacts you will be able to write. Let's go to oil, and we will done with major CFDs. Oil, oil, oil. As you see, oil above this key level, a huge chance that oil will continue uprise. Because take a look on this mirror over area and on this mirror area, and oil close above and accumulate position. If there will be some fake breakout, it will be good place to open by entry to continue uprise. Goal will be before this key level, before this drop. It will be really awesome goal with 300 pips potential rise. Uh, Another scenario on oil about sell. Sell will be only if the price will drop down 100 200 pips, and after pullback you will be able to open sell only in such cases. Let's go to currency pairs, to major currency pairs. Friends, right please, is it clear about gold? Is it clear about oil? Where can we buy gold? Which level? About gold, Monaj, you should take a look again this overview, and you will understand about gold and gold recommendation. Once more, about entry points, if you want to me to send you a signals, it's my VIP signals. Here I show you best places and you will execute it by yourself. uh, when this webinar will finish, just watch again about gold. Euro USD. As we spoke before, euro rise up. It's so sad that price didn't make a fake breakout of this key level because I waited for this buy signal. At this moment, what we see? First up cycle. Do you see that here we have this downward channel, and huge chance that price will break up and we will have second wave up. It's like this pattern. That's why when price will break up after pullback open buy. About some other recommendations, how to speak because euro is not really so clear. About British pound. British pound rising, and friends, about British pound, best will be to find some entries to continue uprise because British pound bounced from this powerful buy area. It's really powerful buy area, and what we can do is to open buy after some pullbacks on British pound because huge probability that price will hit this powerful area. It will be first goal for British pound. Next goal will be if price will break up, it will be one city will be next goal. Okay, Paul, about my VIP signal service. Here is all information about VIP signal service, how it works, proofs. And if you want, just watch, and the contact of my assistant, write to her. She will send all information because price depends what package you choose and what time. Because in so soon we will rise price of our service in 2 times. Okay. Yes. Yes, we will take a look of euro Canadian dollar. Of course, we will do it. Hi, I'm from Turkey, interested in euro USD, USD Japanese yen, and of course, euro USD we just did. Where we can buy gold. Euro USD we just did, and euro USD, and let's do euro USD Japanese yen, Japanese yen. Japan yen. Japan yen might effect breakout of this area, and what will be the next? Mhm. You need to understand that you saw Euro USD is rise, British pound rise. That means huge chance that Japanese yen will continue drop down. What will be the next? It's hard to speak because a really good place to open entry is here and here. Because at this moment price in the middle of this move, that's why it's not good to trade Japanese yen at this moment. And where we have another some key level, it's 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 a level which inside of this channel. That's why only near this level we will be able to do something. If there will be fake breakout buy, if price will break down, consolidate, we'll be able to open sell to continue. That's all. To trade here just to open entry, it's not wise because stop loss you should put here and your potential move to this key level. It's really stupid. And about buy, when you open buy, your stop loss must be here and potential profit to this level. That's why I am out of Japanese yen and do not recommend to trade it at currently. Currently, Canadian dollar broke down this accumulation, as you see. Okay, where is your questions? Friends, push like, subscribe on YouTube channel and write please, is it clear about Japanese yen? Friends, write, just write about clearing because I need to understand that everything is okay and we can go forward. Please just do it. Just do it and write that everything is clear. Few seconds. Okay. Okay. And don't forget that here is videos about all our services. Here is uh, video about account management with protection. There I showed proof how I worked with investor 2 year, helped him to buy a house. You can see all proof, the information about how we cooperate. And what you need to do is just watch the video. If you have more than 10,000 USD, you can write to us and discuss cooperation. Okay, let's go ahead. About Canadian dollar, price was in this accumulation. See that daily candle broke it down. Huge chance that we will see continue of down move. But, but there is always some but. Uh, you see the price accumulated below this key level. It's a signal that Canadian dollar will continue drop down. What you can do? First, what you can do is to open sell only below this key level and to continue drop. If price will break up, fix above this key level on pullback, you will be able to open buy because it will be fake breakout and bearish trap. Remember, when price below this key level, you think about sell. When price above key level, you think about buy. That's all. The next, Australian, Australian. Good, good. About Australian, the same stuff like on Euro USD. As you see, first wave up, pull back, and huge chance of second wave up even to this area. That's why after some pullbacks, you can open buy position, because as you see, a few years price was in this downtrend, and it looks like it finished and started new uprise. That's why. Friends, where is weekly chart? 1 week. And also, as you see, price bounced from this area. Uh, it was January 16 low, and price bounced from this area. That's why we have a huge chance that new uptrend started. Buy after pullback Australian dollar. Um, Also, some of you wrote about Euro Canadian dollar. Okay, about Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar price below this key level from which price bounced so many times. You see it till the price below this key level. We think about sell. Okay. You see that we have two key levels here and here. What you should do at this moment, the only sell situation till the next key level. If Euro Canadian dollar will break up after pullback, you will be able to open buy position nearly this key level, because as you see, it is a high of so big time period. Huge. Take a look on this fake breakout and drop. How many points? 100 points. It's really awesome. It's really awesome, friends. What else? Let's open Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. As you see, we sent this idea to all our TradingView members. As you see, Euro Canadian dollar, you can check it here on TradingView. This idea, it's a reason why you should be subscribed on our TradingView channel. It's the reason why you should follow us because, friends, as I told Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, take a look where price was. Price bounced from this low. As you see, price was here only 9 years ago. 9 years ago, price made a fake breakout. Take a look what happened last time when price made such fake breakout. Take a look. Fake breakout and so huge uprise. The same could be here. That's why if there will be some pullback down, open buy to continue up rise. And once more, British pound versus Canadian dollar. As you see, price also bounced from powerful level. Huge chance that it will rise dramatically up. That's why after pullback to this key level, you can open buy stop loss below this low and go to 300 pips uprise. Friends, write please into the chat. Is it clear about currency pair, which I just told to you? Maybe you have some questions. Please write feedback. I would like to see your feedback that you are here with me, you are listening. Everything is okay, because it's really hard sometimes to write something when I don't see that everything really good for you. Please don't scare. I'll just write a feedback about overviews on these instruments which we just did. Friends, dear friends, dear friends, I will not be able to continue if no one of you will not write about feedback. Guys, come on. Guys, come on. Just write a feedback about this webinar. Maybe something bad with page. I should reload it. Yes, it's clear, Yuri. Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure to read it. Friends, once more, push like and subscribe on YouTube channel. Uh, Go ahead. We did with currency pairs because no one asking anything more about it. I think it's time to finish currency pairs and go to indexes, because indexes, where's indexes? S&P 500. Take a look on S&P 500. I really thought about the drop. Price drop first time for 3,000, and now price is rising. Take a look. At this moment, it's hard to speak about some good entry on S&P 500, because price is rising, price is above historical high. You need to understand that something going with indexes, because it looks like indexes accumulate huge position, and there will be a place when price will drop dramatically. I wait for that situation. That's why at this moment I do not trade it. And also about some entries, when price above some key level, never open sell entry, because take a look how price rise. As you see, key level, price broke up, accumulate, fake breakout, continue. The same could continue many times. That's why I wait. What I'm waiting for. I wait when price will broke up some key level like here, will accumulate huge position, and in one moment will break it down. After pullback, I will open sell position. I wait for such opportunity. Uh, awesome. Pleasure to just go on. Thank you. Pleasure to read it. Just go on. Okay. Okay. US city. About US city, and you need to understand it will. If um, indexes will stop drop, everything will stop dropping down, because indexes, as you see, US city rise up dramatically, and what we can tell. Few seconds, friends, because I need to see a whole picture. Only after that I can say something. Also, value is daily. About indexes, indexes broke up historical high, and now you need to understand that price above key level, what we can do is only buy, because indexes broke up and continue uprise. Also, you need to understand at this moment there is no good entry on US city, because price rise up after good pullback, and there could be some entry where you can open buy. If there will be pullback to this key level, you will be able to open buy to continue uprise. That's all. About sell, also hard to speak, because there is no good sell entry at this moment. And forget about stuff like if price rose up so many points and it must drop down. It doesn't must. It can do, and it can continue rise and rise. As you see, UK 100, do you see difference that European indexes and American indexes moves in different direction? Because as you see, UK 100 broke down this mirror level, and take a look how many times price bounced from it. It's example of key levels which we need to find, which will be really powerful for big players. Okay, and let's open cryptocurrency pairs. Mhm. Cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, BTC. BTC, BTC. About Bitcoin, as I told you, price broke down this price broke down this upward channel. And what do you think will be the next? Next, Bitcoin is dropping down, and that drop will continue. And what you can do is, if you have long position, better to close long position, because huge chance that Bitcoin will drop down, and after that you will be able only to open some buy position, because you will be able to reopen new buy with better price. Best area where you can close your long position and open short. It's here nearly this key level, and that's all. Uh, about about SPX, about S&P 500, it will drop dramatically for sure. Yes, it will drop, but when it will drop? Where you will put your stop loss, where you will open position with good risk reward ratio. And tell me, please, because I saw many times when people say that something will drop and because it rose dramatically. But friends, sometimes it doesn't matter about what it must or not, because last example, what happened on gold, friends, few days ago, what happened on gold? Take a look here. Last example on gold. Price rose up from this place at 100 points. And what happened after that? Rose up again 900 points. Do you imagine it? Price just rose up in 1 week, uh, 15,500 points. Can you imagine this? And many of you thought that here price can drop, here price should bounce it from 1,400, and price rose up from this so many points. And just imagine if you open position with bigger lot size, you can blow out everything. That's why such things like something will must drop or for sure forget about that stuff in trading, forget about, because I saw many times how people lose money. I worked in a fixed broker, and because of that, for sure many people blow out their accounts. That's why it's not good way. Here in this video, four biggest mistakes which 99% traders do, I recorded why what that mistakes which I saw. Friends, write please about instruments which you would like to see, because if there is no new instruments, we will finish. And also few words about our services, about education. If you've tired to blow out your money, if you tired um, to trade without understanding what are you doing, you can join our trading course uh, and learn with us how to trade like a pro. Here is all information about our trading education course. Also about signal service. If you want to get all entries which I open on my personal account, here is all information. And about account management with protection. If you have more than 10,000 USD and you do not want to trade, you want to someone manage your money with real protection, with protection legal, with companies which works with FCA license, ISIC license, you should this video, watch this video, and after that you can write to us, because uh, in these free videos I recorded our proofs, how we worked before, result of our clients, and what you will get in all the video. And also the most important stuff is proof, because I worked with my partners, and we work we do everything legal. And when we do for example account management, there are a protection. We are only one guys who propose to our clients risk management which protects money 24/7. uh, that's why, friends, just take a look what is interesting for you and write to us. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Push like, subscribe on this YouTube channel, because believe me, there will be a lot of useful video. And thank you. Have a great weekends. Bye.